In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Logitech wireless keyboard. Remove the battery spacer from the battery compartment and locate the power switch on your Logitech keyboard. Turn it on, you may see a light indicator flash. If your keyboard has multiple connection options like easy switch, dial, or buttons, select the connection slot. For Windows, Android, or Chrome OS, press the PC button. If your keyboard has an easy switch, press and hold it until the LED flashes blue indicating pair-in mode. On your computer, open Bluetooth settings and select Add a Bluetooth device. Select Bluetooth as the connection type and find your Logitech keyboard in the list of available devices. Click on Start Pair-in, then type the provided code on your keyboard and press Enter to confirm. If your keyboard supports multiple device connections, switch to another easy switch slot and repeat the pair-in process. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.